No one waits for you to translate at work. When it's your turn to speak, you either respond or you miss the moment. This is day 6 of the 365 challenge. Today, we train real English for work. Clear, simple, direct. Listen, repeat, speak. Shadowing, work situations. Give me a second, I'm checking. Give me a second, I'm checking. I'll get back to you on that. I'll get back to you on that. Can you say that one more time? Can you say that one more time? I'm working on it right now. I'm working on it right now. Let me clarify something quickly. Let me clarify something quickly. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. I'll send that over today. I'll send that over today. I'm not sure yet. Let me confirm. I'm not sure yet. Let me confirm. That works for me. That works for me. I agree. Let's do that. I agree. Let's do that. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated. Let me think for a second. Let me think for a second. I just need a moment to respond. I just need a moment to respond. I'm getting better at speaking at work. I'm getting better at speaking at work. I stay calm and speak clearly. I stay calm and speak clearly. I don't need perfect English. I just need to communicate. I respond with confidence. I respond with confidence. I speak, I improve, I grow. No excuses, no doubt. Real English, real work situations. Day 6 complete. Comment day 7 if you showed up.